What's your name?
My name is Aarohi.
Aarohi, that's a beautiful name. I'm Christina. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Where do you live, Aarohi?
I am living in India.
India. How is your day in India?
Nice day. And in the morning, my class starts and the conversation starts.
You did?
Yes.
Was it good?
Yeah. My teacher.
With your teacher?
My teacher's name is Oindrila.
Angela?
Oindrila.
Winrula.
Yeah.
What a pretty name. Wow. Hey, I live in Canada. Do you want to see Canada?
Yeah.
There's Canada.
Wow.
Lots of trees. Lots of trees. Do you have a lot of trees where you live?
No, I have only 10 trees.
Only 10 trees. Wow. Do you have a brother or sister?
I have a sister. She's talking too small.
Yeah, I can hear her. She's just little?
Yeah.
Yeah? How old is she? Do you know?
6 months.
6 months. She's so cute.
Yeah. Today's September, October, my birthday, 4th October.
Tomorrow's your birthday?
Yeah. 4th October.
1st of October?
4th October.
4th of October. That's coming up soon. How old will you be?
What?
How old will you be on your birthday?
I am 6 years old.
You're turning 6 years old?
I am 5 years old in my birthday, 6 years old. Then I grow like this.
You get so big.
And in 15 months, I become doctor.
When you're going to be a doctor?
Yes, in 6 months, in 15 months, I become 15 and I am already Dr. Kare, Dr. College and I am patient everything.
I am so proud of you. You are awesome.
Let's start with the class. Oh, my dear has a star?
Yeah, you already have 5 stars because guess why? Your English is very good.
Okay.
You are doing so good with your English. Good job. All right.
Forels, the fox, and the crow.
Do you know this story?
Yeah.
Can you tell it to me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Not this.
No. Okay, I'll read this. Students should follow the tutor and or read out loud, depending on their skill level, through the story. Students will help complete the story by providing the correct possessive pronouns or structure. My, your, his, her, our, your, their, and in the story.
I have a pretty hairband.
I love your pretty hairband. But I have
Tell me.
funny teeth. What? Kissy, kissy, kiss, kiss, kiss. Ta-da! Is that silly?
It's silly like it.
I got silly lips. Oh, you're fun. You're fun. Who is that?
He's Sammy. You don't know her name?
Sammy.
Yeah.
What happens to Sammy every time?
I think there has a pot. I think so many holes.
So many holes in his balloons. Sammy.
Again the holes stop. Then 15 holes.
I know he never stops. I say, Sammy, go home. You have too many holes in your balloon.
Yes.
Oh. Hey, so you've gone to a lot of countries with Sammy. What was your favorite?
My favorite country, India and America.
And America?
America and India.
Africa?
This Sammy like America.
Oh, probably. I think Sammy's from America. He looks like he might be from America. I wonder where we're going to go today.
Where are you from?
Canada.
Canada.
Yeah, do you know Canada?
Yes, so many, lots of trees.
Lots of trees, and usually in the winter, lots of snow when it's cold.
In Canada?
Mm-hmm.
I go to your place.
You want to go? Watch. I'm going to show you a picture of my grandson in the snow. Do you want to see this?
Yeah.
You will love it. You will love it. Okay, so wait, I have to find, because it was way back in the winter. It was like, oh, there he is. See all the snow?
Yeah.
So much snow. And look, you have to wear a coat and hat and boots and mitts because it's so cold. You don't have snow, right?
There has India.
No snow in India.
Yeah.
You're lucky because I do not like snow. Ew.
I like snow.
You do like snow?
Yes, I like snow.
You should come visit Canada and I will go to India.
Look, I am start your class and it's dark like this.
It's dark, yeah.
It's
That's
dark
right.
like this. And it's so funny kare and gives like this.
Just like this. I like it. All right, are we ready to start Sammy's story today?
Yes.
Okay, let's see what this says.
1 minute. We have been letters for a long time. I went to tell a story to pass the time, but I don't remember everything. Can you help me tell the story? Let's go.
Let's go. Here we go. Sammy, Sammy, Sammy. Okay, can you read this? You're really good at reading.
Yes. This kind of story is called a fable.
Fable.
A fable is a story that teacher listen is called moral.
A moral.
Moral.
Yeah, good. So this kind of story is called a fable. A fable is a story that teaches a lesson. This lesson is called a moral. Let's see. Can you read that? Are you cold?
Yes, don't worry.
Okay, I hope you're okay. Can you read this?
Yes. First, let's remember some words we learned. They will help us visit the story.
Finish the story. So first, let's remember some words we learned. They will help us finish the story. I bet you know these words. Ah, what letter goes there?
M for brown.
Let's look. What does M-Y spell?
I think my hair is brown and black.
That's right, just like your hair is black.
His.
His. His. Good. What do you think? Our. You got it. Good. Your.
No,
What about
not
No?
your.
Your.
Hard.
Her.
Oh.
Not O, it's an E.
Yeah,
Her.
your spelling.
What about this one?
Your turn.
Your. This is your too. Your. And what about this one?
Oh, this one. There.
There. Good job. Good job on that. That's very good work. Oh, can you read this?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Can you help me tell the story? If you see a purple blank like this story, it means I forget the words. I need your help to remember that words to us like this. The story. Are you ready? Let's read.
Let's go. Oh yeah, let's read.
I am fast. My legs too late.
Oh, so fast. Good. So if we see a purple blank like this, we got to think of the word that goes in there. I think you can do this. I think so. Okay.
The fox and the crow.
Yeah.
Opposite. I like this story.
You like this story?
Yes.
Who do you like, the fox or the crow?
Crow and fox.
You like them both.
Tomorrow, the fox come and eat me.
No.
I am see right now the Halloween, the ghost and Halloween, 2 Halloween come to my house.
Yeah, Halloween soon after your birthday.
I see. No, not my birthday right now.
Right now is Halloween?
Mine's night and yours is morning.
That's right.
America has only morning. India has night.
That's right. And I'm in Canada.
Canada.
Yeah, Canada is over top of America.
Show me the earth. Where are you? Where the Canada? Show me the earth.
You want to see us?
Yes, I know. Not outside. I am tell earth.
Oh, you froze.
Art. You don't know art?
Art? Like pictures?
You don't know art? It's circle like this.
What's that?
This is my bottle.
I like it. Is pink your favorite?
No, my red.
What's that? Your remote. Click. Oh, to make it warmer?
I am do like this.
You what?
Let's tell this.
Okay.
Look, this one, the story. Okay? I tell this story.
Okay, can you read this?
One day, the crow stole a place of Chinese choose from this farm. She sat on a branch high in a tree and held it in the bricks.
Oh, I think it should be her beak.
I think so. And starting. The crow is cheesing. Look delicious.
Delicious. Good job reading, Aarohi. Now listen to how I say some of the words. Ready? One day, the crow stole a piece of cheese from a farmer. She sat on a branch high in a tree and held it in her beak.
Look, they do like this.
Yeah, like that.
Chasing like this. Chasing like this.
That's right. That's the cheese, and that's her beak. Thought
Look.
the crow. This
Like
cheese
this.
looks delicious. It's like a harmonica. Can you read this?
Yeah. Tell me what's her name.
Your name or my name?
No, the fox name. I know.
Yeah, foxes go ding 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 ding. No, they don't. Do you want me to read this, or do you want to read it?
Your turn.
Okay. The fox saw that the crow had a piece of cheese. What word do you think goes in here, Aarohi?
I can't see it.
I think it's the.
Yes, that's
I
it.
think so. The cheese looks very tasty, thought the fox. Now the fox was very hungry, and he liked to play tricks. He thought of a trick to get the... what goes here?
I have a little baby like this.
What's your baby's name?
Yashica.
Jessica?
E?
E?
Ya?
Yeah?
Si?
See?
Ka.
Jessica.
Yes.
That is such a pretty name, too. You guys have great names.
Jessica Mandel.
Pardon?
Delman?
Delman?
No. Delman?
Delman?
No. And Del means balo in Bengali.
Follow?